This is a 2021 14-inch MacBook Pro which came in with sticky keys. As you can see, this might be coffee or tea or soft drink, or it might be anything, but it has sugar in it. So that is the reason why we pulled the backlight back. We pulled the backlight out, but still a layer of the backlight is still stuck to this. And this is the Touch ID sensor, fingerprint scanner. You need to be utmost careful around this, because if you break this cable or if you damage this cable, fingerprint will stop working on this model. And Apple said that this entire case has to be replaced. So, and we have dismantled the entire MacBook here. I just want to show you. So this is the screen, motherboard, fan, and everything. So if you want to replace the keyboard on this model, entire MacBook has to be disassembled. If you go for keyboard replacement with Apple, so they will replace this entire case, which is including the keyboard, trackpad, battery, speaker, and everything. But now we are going to just replace the keyboard alone. So I am going to show you, and mind you, these keyboards don't have screws. So if you can see, these are the rivets. This is how this keyboard is sealed in place. This is how this is fixed in the place. So now I'm going to rip this keyboard out. There is no polite way or a soft way to take this keyboard out. So these rivets have to be broken when you are taking the keyboard out. So once the keyboard is ripped out, I'll show you how it looks. So the keyboard is pulled out. So this is how the shape of the keyboard will become, because there's no screws. So I had to put a tape on the back side of the keyboard so that those rivets which are locked, so these rivets, these circular things inside this, don't jump and fall in my eyes or nose or my hair when I pull the keyboard out. So the keyboard is out. As you can see, the damage here. So I'll try to clean as much as possible. So this is how keyboard replacement is done.